The history of New York City. The history of New York City is a dramatic story of transformation, from a remote Lenape hunting ground into a global capital of commerce, culture, and ambition. Its journey began long before European arrival, with the Lenape people inhabiting the area they called Mannahatta, meaning the island of many hills. The first European to arrive was the Italian explorer Giovanni da Verrazzano in 1524, who sailed into New York harbor. However, it was the Englishman Henry Hudson, sailing for the Dutch East India Company in 1609, who truly charted the region and recognized the potential of its vast, sheltered harbor and the river that would later bear his name. In 1624, the Dutch established the colony of New Netherland, and in 1626, its director, Peter Minuit, famously purchased the island of Manhattan from the Lenape for 60 guilders worth of goods, a transaction steeped in cultural misunderstanding, as the Lenape concept of land ownership differed fundamentally from the European one. The settlement was named New Amsterdam and served as a bustling, if rough, trading post for furs. The colony's character was one of commercial pragmatism and surprising diversity, attracting a mix of Dutch, French, Africans, both enslaved and free, and other Europeans. This Dutch era ended abruptly in 1664, when an English fleet sailed into the harbor and forced a surrender without a fight. The English renamed the colony and the city New York, in honor of the Duke of York. Under British rule, the city grew steadily as a major port, and its strategic importance made it a central stage during the American Revolution. It was the site of the Battle of Long Island, 1776, a major defeat for George Washington's Continental Army, and the city served as the British military headquarters for the rest of the war. The Great Fire of 1776 destroyed a significant portion of the city while it was under British occupation. After the war, New York briefly served as the first capital of the United States, where George Washington was inaugurated as president at Federal Hall on Wall Street in 1789. The Erie Canal, completed in 1825, was a monumental project that connected the Great Lakes to the Atlantic Ocean via the Hudson River, cementing New York's status as America's premier commercial hub and fueling an explosive growth in population and wealth. This period saw the first great wave of immigration, particularly from Ireland and Germany, which reshaped the city's social fabric. The 19th century was an era of profound contrasts, of immense wealth for the robber barons and crushing poverty for the masses. This was the age of Tammany Hall political machine, the construction of iconic landmarks like Central Park and the Brooklyn Bridge, and the opening of the Statue of Liberty in 1886, which became a beacon to millions of new immigrants arriving at the nearby Ellis Island Processing Center from the 1890s to the 1920s. These newcomers from southern and eastern Europe crowded into tenement slums in neighborhoods like the Lower East Side, providing the labor that powered the Industrial Revolution. The 20th century saw New York ascend to global preeminence. The Roaring Twenties celebrated the city's skyscrapers, jazz clubs, and stock market boom, which came to a crashing halt with the Great Depression. The post-World War II era established New York as the center of global finance, Wall Street, and culture, the abstract expressionist art movement, the birth of beatniks, and the headquarters of the United Nations. However, the 1970s brought a severe fiscal crisis, rampant crime, and urban decay, captured in the popular phrase "Fort to City, Drop Dead." The city's resilience shone through in its remarkable comeback from the late 1980s onward. The 21st century began with the devastating terrorist attacks of September 11, 2001, which destroyed the World Trade Center and traumatized the nation. The subsequent rebuilding of the World Trade Center site, including the One World Trade Center skyscraper, symbolized the city's indomitable spirit. Today, New York City remains a relentless, evolving metropolis of over 8 million people, a global node for finance, media, art, fashion, research, and technology, forever defined by the ambition, diversity, and relentless energy that have been its hallmark for nearly 400 years.